Sergey Bagapsh, the second president of Abkhazia, was born on March 4, 1949, and would have celebrated his 75th birthday this year. He first assumed the presidency in 2005, winning re-election in 2009, but sadly passed away at the age of 62. During the Georgian-Abkhazian War of 1992-93, Bagapsh served simultaneously as a deputy and deputy chairman of the government of Abkhazia, overseeing political contacts and the delivery of humanitarian aid. After the war, he became the prime minister, facing the daunting challenges of a shattered economy and a blockade. Under his leadership, salaries were paid in Abkhazia for the first time since the end of hostilities, a testament to his effective governance. Despite the Kremlin's support for his rival in the 2004 presidential election, Bagapsh emerged victorious after the Supreme Court overturned the initial results. This led to a compromise that saw Bagapsh and his opponent run on a joint ticket in the 2005 rerun, resulting in Bagapsh's presidency and the establishment of a delicate partnership. Bagapsh's re-election in 2009 was decisive. Though willing to negotiate with Tbilisi and a promoter of good neighborly relations, he broke off talks in 2006 after the Georgian president illegally introduced militia into Abkhazia's Upper Kodor Valley. Though in the spring of 2008, Abkhazia feared being the target of renewed Georgian aggression, it was South Ossetia which suffered. Bagapsh's tenure was marked by significant diplomatic outreach, including a historic visit to the Abkhazian diaspora in Turkey and seeing Abkhazia's independence recognized by Russia, Nicaragua, Venezuela, and Nauru. In May 2011, Bagapsh was diagnosed with growths on his lung. On 21st May, Bagapsh underwent surgery in a Moscow clinic. Though the growths were successfully removed, Bagapsh died on 29th May due to heart failure that resulted from complications from the surgery. Sergey Bagapsh's visionary leadership and unwavering commitment to his nation's sovereignty and prosperity have cemented his place in history as a pivotal figure in Abkhazia's quest for identity and independence.